Morning children, welcome to our computer class. In last class, what we learned? We learned many input-output devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, monitor, etc. Some are input devices and some are output devices. Now children, you all have understood about input and output devices? Input devices are used to insert the data into the computer. Input devices are used to insert the data into the computer. Most commonly input devices are keyboard and mouse. Our next device is output device. Output devices are those devices which are used to get the information or output. Some output devices are printer and monitor. Dear children, today we will start our second chapter, that is how do computer works. Today we will learn about a new device, that is a process device. Do you know children what is it? The act of changing input into the output. Whatever you insert, that is your input, and it will change into the information, that is called output. The act of changing input into the output is called process. So, which device will change the input into the output is called processing device. In our computer, processing device is CPU. Now, you see this screen. Here are three boxes. First box is input box. Second box is process box. And our third box is output box. Whatever you insert through keyboard, it will go to input box. Through input box, that data will go to process box. Our process box is CPU. In CPU, it get process and it will change into the information. That information go to the output box. Okay, and you are already knowing our output device is monitor. So we get our information after processing through monitor. This is keyboard and you are already knowing this is an input device. This is CPU. I have told you CPU is our processing device. This is a monitor. I told you this is an output device. Whatever you insert through keyboard, that will go to the processing device, that is our CPU. And after processing, it will change into the information. And this information we can see through the output device, through our monitor. Now children, you understood how do computer works? First, we insert data through input device. It will go to the processing device. After processing, it will go to the output device. We insert data through keyboard. It will go to the CPU. In CPU, it get processing. After processing, this data will change into the information. This information we can get through the output device. Dear children, I will make it more easy and it will become more clear for you. Dear children, do you know how you get juice? First, we insert fruits into the juicer. In juicer, it get processed and it converted into the juice. So, fruits are our input. Juicer is our processing device and juice is our output. Yes, children, I think you have understood about input, process and output. So, whatever you insert into the computer through input devices will go to the CPU where it get processed, and after processing it will give an output. So, children, what you learned today? Today we have learned how computer works. Computer works with the help of three devices. First, input devices, second, processing devices, and third is output devices. So, children, I hope you have understood how computer works. You learn it and remember it. Thank you, children. Your assignment will be sent to you separately.